Hello, everyone. Hi. So, welcome to my channel, Dr. Mysterious Gaming. So, today we have to replace in tempered glass protection of a Samsung phone, or you can use this method for any Android devices or Apple devices. Like it just have to be a smartphone. So, let's get to it. So first of all, we have to in this phone, in this device, we have to remove the existing tempered glass protection, which is seems pretty banged up, and it is kind of a bit sort of ugly. And we have the cracked glasses and everything. So let's do it. I will just tear it down first, and we'll have to clean it up.
A few moments later.
So as I said before, we have to remove this first, the tempered glass. And as you know, the tempered glass edges is pretty strong, so it kind of may be difficult. And be careful with your fingers and everything, because we don't want any injury for that matter. Like I'm using simply a screwdriver, because I don't have any other things to do it. See, once it cracks up, it is easy to peel it off, but until then you have to it's pretty tough to do. Ouch. Yeah, I got it. Be careful with it. That's all I have to say. Much like see, this is the tempered glass which I have removed, and this is our device. And you can see there's a piece of more adhesive, like that glue part. It's actually sticked upon it, and so as you can see that we have after taking apart the tempered glass, we can see its glue being on the remainings of the screen, and we have a residue left behind, which is we don't need that residue before applying a new screen protector and all. So before that, we have to clean this up and also clean our this the entire table area, because we have now literally glass shards everywhere.
5 minutes later.
So I'm using alcohol wipes to clean, because it's much easier to clean it up using it. As you can see, there's literally the glue she whatever this is. You can see this. Mm-hmm. No, it's look good, right? The reason why I'm using alcohol wipes, as you may have guessed, it is very easy take to wipe off and everything. And also we can and it doesn't damages the device also. But as you know, this my smartphone is kind of bit old, still serving its purpose. Anyway, now let it dry. Replacing it here and let it dry. And before you start opening the tempered glass protection you ordered from the Amazon or let's say AliExpress or anything, eBay or anything, before applying these things, just make sure your hands are very clean and it's very dry, because it is really difficult when the hands are wet, or like it's gonna be if it no it will create smudges or air bubbles, etc. So meanwhile, when it is going to dry, I will try to show you the package which I bought. So like, see, we have a piece of two piece of guide stickers and one dust absorber and two pieces of wipes. One is dry and wet, and finally the tempered glass. That was a lot. As you can see, this is the hourglass, and it is pretty much a new one and clean, I guess. I can give this, like, this is actually offered like under $1.50. So $1.5 is pretty cheap one, and I bought from like AliExpress, and you can check that the link from below. I will put that in the description. And now let's try to apply, and I will tell you what each of the stickers mean. So first of all, we have to use separate these things, and first of all use the wet wipe, because it has more potent alcohol content than the our like exactly it is containing that it is called as isopropyl alcohol or something, and we have to clean it very well. As you can see, there may be smudges and everything because I'm using. Oh, if you're that much afraid, like, I can even suggest you like to use the gloves instead, the sterile gloves. Just make sure you have cleaned it very well. Then using the dry one, you can see how clean it is now. It's actually a bit shiny, to be honest. And this is our dry wipe, and I think we have got it. Here. So now we use this sticker, the dust absorber sticker. The reason we are using this sticker is that because even though we cannot, with our naked eye, we cannot see there is a dust on the screen. Sometimes there will be, which is like we can only use like at the using special devices like we can see if there is a minute particle of dust and everything. And when coming to like because of that, when applying the tempered glass protection for your devices, it is really not good because it will create air bubbles or put just like create a small havoc in there. Now you can use this sticker and just go in a symmetrical way which is easy for you so that you don't miss an area. See, now as you can see there is a lot, there was some kind of things in here which was not visible for me in my eyes. I don't know about you, but still. And now taking our tempered glass and see, this is the area where like the this is the area like where we have to put on the devices, like this area, because this side has the adhesive for the screen and we have to put it, so that means it will be like this almost. So now we have to, well, first of all we have to align this tempered glass. Good. Now you may have seen many videos about they may not even mention about these things, but they are pretty useful. This is like small, but yet still it is useful, and we can use this like this. Like I'm placing. First of all, align the tempered glass correctly. Now we have not applied the tempered glass. Remember that we have not applied the tempered glass. Now we are using these stickers and one here. Okay, just move. My fingers are shaking. Okay, then we have to put the sticker around it. Then we have once more. It acts like a door hinge, if you understand what I mean. Like, see, now it is. We can see it is like this. And what this do is that it actually, yeah, what the name implies. The name implies that like it guides us. So we use it. See, now it is like this. And now we will tear off the back cover slowly because we don't want any air bubbles on everything. This is satisfying, unveiling this one. Now we have to arrange it correctly. Just press in the middle As you can see, it is spreading out loud slowly. Use the dry wipe. You can see it is spreading very much slowly around the edges. There it go. It completed. Oh, actually we are lucky didn't get any air bubbles. Just use the dry wipes to press. And just use the wet wipes to be sure. Because once it sticks, it definitely is not going to come back easy, as you know how hard it was to remove the previous one. Now we can, so like, we just have to remove the guide stickers. Okay, now it's stuck on my finger. You can use another alcohol wipes or anything, but just to make sure, you just see if you have any like air bubbles or not, and it's safe. I think we have like successfully done it. Very good. So thanks for watching. Just make sure subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and thank you, and you have a nice day.